Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Briun Armstrung token. Now before I start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Briun Armstrong BRIUN was a community-driven proudly meme coin on the base blockchain, distinguished by its deflationary flywheel mechanism that used trading fees to buy back and burn tokens. Deflationary meme coin pioneer. It was the first token on the base chain to implement a self-sustaining buyback and burn system fueled by trading fees. Community governance and utility holders could vote on ecosystem initiatives and engage with an on-chain mini game, adding layers beyond pure speculation. Briun Armstrung token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 977.48 million Briun token. Briun token is listed on Uniswap V3, Aerodrome Finance and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.